so obsessed with Halloween?
Halloween is cool. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be doing a rainy day routine with the family. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. But now, anyways, I'm going to be doing my skincare before I wake up Naomi. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So now that I'm done doing my skincare, I'm now going to go wake up Naomi. Naomi, wake up.
Oh my god, I don't want to wake up. Why do you have to wake me up right now? It's legit a holidays, Mum.
Looks like someone woke up on the wrong side of the bed. And don't give me that attitude, young lady. I better see you in the bathroom in 1 minute.
Oh my god, fine. I hate you.
Anyways, now I'm gonna go wake up baby Ocean from her sleep. Ocean, wake up, you sleepyhead.
Oh my god, Mommy, why did you have to wake me up? I had the best dream about my boyfriend and we played tag together. It was so fun.
Oh, that's nice. But anyway, sweetie, I have to wake you up because I have to do your hair.
Who the f did your hair?
Naomi, that is not nice.
I'm sorry, Mom.
It's fine. Let me just continue doing her hair.
Hey everybody, it's Naomi, and today we're doing Day in the Life with me, rainy day edition.
Naomi, get back inside now.
I'm running.
So I was about to make some food for the family, but I don't have enough, so I'm just gonna go to the grocery store. Okay, girls, please behave when we get inside of that shop.
Okay, Mommy. Left on the top, make it drop. That's a one.
What are you doing?
That's a
Okay guys, that's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. So bye.
Don't forget to like the video.